good question by Alistair. He said, okay, well, you complete the square because it says minimum, which is the same thing as maximum. Here's the thing. Based on what the parabola looks like, if this is a downward facing parabola, this is going to be your maximum, right? If it's an upward facing parabola like this, that's going to be your minimum. Right? So depending on the shape of the parabola, it's still your vertex, right? But depending on the shape, it's going to get the max or the min. So because this is a positive parabola 4t squared, it's going to look like this, so it'll be looking for the minimum. Okay, right? But the other, you know what I'm saying? The last question was negative.
So we do the
2t squared. It's still a vertex, yeah. Okay.
And we use the first equation.
Yeah, use this one. Aiden, can you be brave, please, and give me the initial height? Great. So for part A, yeah, we're going to say, guys, do this, please. So for part A, we're going to say the initial height means t equals 0. Therefore, h equals 10. Okay, guys, please, I know you guys are excited thinking about people getting hurt on swings, okay, that's not going to happen. Well, can you give me a suitable therefore statement, please? Thank you. Okay, great. Noah Solinger, can you give me the height after 2 seconds? What do I do?
Southern to T.
Great. And then I would strongly like you guys to write this out, like what you're actually doing, to really help yourself out to know. Always for any of these word problems, there's like one new piece of information along the way, right? So, and to think we're not done word problems after this unit. We get to trade, that's a big part of it. Later on, okay, so we'll deal with that in a sec. So Noah, can you do that? What's going on?
Found it.
Can you not find it later?
Didn't find it.
He's watching.
She's supposed to do it.
Stop. Can you find it, please?
He's watching.
So 4 bracket 2 bracket square minus 12 bracket 2.
Okay, so that should be 16 minus 24 plus 10, which h is equal to 2. That's right. Can you give me a single therefore statement here, please?
Therefore, height after 2 seconds is 2.
Okay, great. Now, how do we find the minimum height?
Using the vertex, right? So,
Give me the first step, please.
4 bracket t squared minus 3 bracket plus 10. And you want me to do it?
Yeah, just give me a second.
Okay. So then divide negative 3 by 2, which equals negative 1.5 squared, which equals 2.25.
This looks familiar. Didn't we already do this question?
And then sub that in plus or minus.
This was times 4 of those, so there's a neat part with this. What is that, 11?
It's 1 at the end.
Okay, here we go, please. Megan, what's the vertex, please? Okay, Liam, for the last question of the day, what is the minimum height of the swing, please?
So like, put 0 on the
Good, no problem. No, not quite. Liam, or what's your name? Luke, go ahead.
1.
Right. Guys, this is just the variable for height, so therefore, the minimum height is 1.
Say like it's 1 meter.
You can say that too. You can say that too. Okay, I'm going to stop on the video here right now. If you guys have a textbook, we get started. If not, I'll write the questions on the board. Homework is going to be page 147, number 12 and 15. Yeah, homework. Yeah, it's that thing that you keep looking at and then What's that? Except for studying.
Oh, yeah.
How about is that another book? Oh, this book?
Give us one good question.
Okay, I'm going to write number 12 on the board if you want to get started here.
12, you said you were 12 then.
12, 13, 14, 15. This is number 12 if you want to get started on it right now. It says a football is kicked into the air.
Football. Okay. It's killing.
Oh boy, sorry. Oh, sorry, guys.
Are these questions?
Yes.
Wait, why is there going after the T?
What?
Why is there no number after the T?